So this is the iFixit kit. This is going to be for my 15-inch MacBook Pro. I've got it from iFixit because you get a genuine Apple battery, so this is not a cheap one. So this is going to be much better quality. It comes in this box. You also get this box full of some useful stuff as well. So you also get this adhesive remover because there's obviously there's glue underneath the battery. You get a towel, that's handy. You also get a syringe for the adhesive remover. You also get a bag full of goodies as well. So let's see what we've got in here. So you get 2 cards, credit card sized things that you can use to pry up the battery. You also get a guitar pick. That's a nice little gift. And in here you get all the different T-type screwdrivers that you use to open up the MacBook, together with a screwdriver, and they're all magnetic as well, so that's actually pretty neat. This is actually pretty good quality actually. So all you need to do is pull that one off, insert another one, whoops, snaps right in. So that's excellent. So put that there. I'm just going to leave these in here. You also get this as well. It's not a toothpick, it's a pair of tweezers. And what's this? Oh, that's the other screwdriver I bought, never mind that one. A pick. Yeah, just a little pick. And another device for prising things open. You also get a set of goggles as well. So this whole kit cost me £80. What was it? It was £70 if it's the battery only, and £80 for the complete kit. To be honest, I probably don't need all of this. There are other ways of doing this. There are some other tricks that you can use, which is like tying some string, mounting it underneath the battery, and you can basically just pull the battery off. But you get a nice little kit here. So I decided to go for it. It's only a tenner extra, and you've got this stuff that you can use in the future, so I went ahead and bought it. So let's get started. Okay, so we've lifted the power out here. So now there are some screws hiding underneath this label we have to take out. See if we can get that. That must be what I need these tweezers for. There we go. Got it. There you go, they were useful tweezers after all. Okay, so there we go, so it's lifting out now. Okay, so as for the battery, let's give this solution a try. So I fitted this. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to dab some solution up the top of the battery. Just a little bit. And be very, very careful. You know what? You can hear the solution working. I can actually hear it. Right, so don't know how long you need to leave it for, but let's give it a little bit of a pry and see how far we can get. There we go. So I'm trying some dental floss now, so that I can actually try and pull the that does work quite well. So yeah, so try and rub this underneath the battery until it comes out. There it goes, there it goes. Right, that's one. Right, so if I grab that, there we go. Right, that's two down. That's those two. Right, so these ones, this is the most difficult two now. It's coming. Come on. Right, other side. There it goes. Yes! Got it. Right, there it is, old battery. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up the inside and get it ready for the new one. Right, so here we are. I've given it a little bit of a clean. It's a little bit dirty on the edges, but it's a flat enough surface that I can place a new battery on. I think what I'm going to do first of all is actually test the battery, make sure it's working before I actually tape it down into the board. So I'll leave the cover for the adhesive on. I'll just place it in there. There you go, so it fits, so that's a good sign. And connector up. Connected, right. I'll just pop on the cover. And let's make sure we're still in working order before I connect this up. Excellent. Okay, well that's good enough for me, so we'll shut down. And we're powered off. Okay, so turn it back over. Lift the lid. Right, we're going to unplug this again. Okay. Right. Okay, right, so let's make sure. Oh, there it goes. Right, solid. Peel this off. Amazing, brand new battery. Right, so screws. Let's screw this back down. Don't forget that part. These black screws. That is it. That is officially it. Right, so cover back on. Switch back on again. Right, here we are back in the OS. Let me just focus up a little bit. And moment of truth. There it is, cycles 1. Perfect. So yeah, I definitely recommend the whole kit. I used all the tools in the end, so it was actually really useful. Batteries replaced, running fine, very happy.